first exercise, we have low explosive lunge pushes. That's what I call them, lunge pushes. You're really pushing yourself through the base, through your foundation, as powerful as you can, pushing through that barbell. Next, I go right through a powerful jump squat, and I'm crawling under. I'm putting my body in a gruesome position, in a comfortable position, and I'm shocking it. That's what I want to do here. And I'm going straight here through, mixing it up. I start jumping, as you can see, adding in place jump lunges. This is a very good move for powerful athletes, trying to strengthen not only their legs, their foundation, but their core as well. It really works the core. I go here into a jump squat, and I'm doing a dumbbell deadlift. I get the heaviest weight you can, and then straight through a jump squat. You'll feel it. Over here, simple chest thrust through. I'm breathing in and exhaling out through every push. I'm working fast here. But this should be all one circuit. Push press is easy. Everything here should be one circuit, and you're doing everything for a total of 3 reps, and that's your one circuit, but you're doing it 3 times. And you should not last more than a minute doing everything at once. Over here, this is very explosive. I love this because you're using the kettlebell side to side, which works your core and your side abs, and then you're jumping into a burpee, and you're catching on the same way. Over here, you're pushing, you're doing a plank walk, basically, and you're pushing through that heavy ball. That ball weighs about 40 or 50 pounds, it must. And you're pushing through, you're working on your core, you're working on balance, resistance, anything possible. You're going to be fatigued. Try to keep that butt as flat as possible down and go straight into MMA push-ups, which is what I'm doing next. Open, middle, wide. I want you to do it as much as you can before the minute is over. Again, you're doing everything here for 3 reps, a minute. It's a circuit. I want you to be explosive. I want you to be quick, and I want you to feel, get a burn. I want your body to be shocked. That's the goal here. Hope you like it. Rate, subscribe, and I want you to do more. I want you to be more. I want you to live more, and I want to make health and fitness a priority in your life. To change your mindset to do the things that you want to do. Let's go. Your turn.